Hi guys, it's me Ray from raytalks.co.uk. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video we are going to be talking about 3 ways for you to effectively add moisture to your hair. By the way, if you're looking for an extra bonus tip, make sure you check out my blog www.raytalks.co.uk. I will ensure that I leave the link to this post in the description bar, so make sure you check it below. So let's get on to it. Moisture is key to natural hair. A lot of us may suffer from dryness, and the best way to combat dryness is by adding moisture to our hair. In this video, I will highlight 3 ways you can add moisture to your hair. Tip number 1, a glycerin and water mix. This is such an old school way of moisturizing your hair. I remember when I first went natural and became familiar with the world of YouTube, I would see a lot of women who would take some glycerin, add some water, add some glycerin, and then shake it and then use it to mist their hair, and it would do wonders. And the reason as to why this is, glycerin acts as a humectant, and that means it uses the atmosphere to draw moisture to wherever it is. So if it's in your hair, it will draw moisture to your hair. But be very, very careful with using glycerin in your hair products or generally. If you did want a defined braid out or twist out, avoid glycerin at all costs, because what it will do is frizz up your hair and it doesn't really help with holding the style. Tip number 2, steaming your hair. Every wash day or when you deep condition your hair, ensure that you add heat to it, because what this does, it adds moisture. I must admit, I've been really lazy when it's come to deep conditioning my hair with heat, but it is super effective. If you're a lazy natural or a more laid back natural, definitely implement this. What you do is apply the deep conditioner to your hair from root to tip and sit underneath a steamer or a hooded cap, depends on what you like, but I would recommend a steamer. This helps moisturize and nourishes your hair and allows your hair to be a lot more supple. So give it a go. Help! Please! Can you get me a towel?
You're just a drama queen.
I am a drama queen and I don't mind. I don't know where my towel's gone.
You'll be fine like that.
Brother, please get me a towel. This is not a joke. I need a towel. This thing is, look at it's underneath my, there. Tip number 3. The third and final tip is a mid-week rinse. What is a mid-week rinse? So, mid-week, get your hair and literally rinse it. This could be with a shower head, just allowing water to hit your hair strands, or getting a spray bottle and just misting your hair throughout the day or at the start of the day. But make sure you seal in that moisture with some, I hope you said it, with some oil or cream, depending on what you like. So these are my 3 tips. Number 1, glycerin and water mix. Number 2, a hair steamer. And number 3, mid-week rinse. In the comments below, let me know how you add moisture to your hair. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with at least one friend. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I would really appreciate if you could support. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Ray.